And I'm just going to leave you with one more quick tip in this video, how to burnish your transfers. Now, when you apply the transfers, you might see a little bit of a halo around your design, and that's just part of the adhesive that makes them stick so very well to furniture. And all you have to do to get rid of this little halo is burnish the transfers on. And really, that's just give another burnish is a fancy word for just giving them a really good rub to smooth them down. So I just use an old t-shirt. Any sort of soft cloth will work. You can even use your finger. If you just want to use your finger and give the edges of that transfer a good rub. And this will make sure that the whole transfer is burnished onto your piece and that little halo around your design will disappear.